Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by loading the game and navigating straight to the locker codes area. You don't need to create a save first. Once there, make sure you're signed into the proper platform account so the game can validate codes online. You'll enter the code exactly as given. If it includes dashes or numbers, include them. After typing, select Redeem immediately and watch for the confirmation pop-up so you know the code applied successfully. You'll now type the locker code using the controller or on-screen keyboard. Go slowly and double-check each character. Once entered, press Redeem and observe the confirmation that lists the exact reward and any expiration or usage limits. If it's a multi-item drop, pause to open your inventory, vault, or My Faction locker to verify all pieces arrived. If something's missing, don't leave the menu. You finish by collecting rewards from the designated menus, items, roster, or My Faction, and equipping or moving them as needed. If a reward didn't show, first restart the game and confirm your online connection. Duplicates may be blocked, so check vault limits. If problems persist, capture screenshots or a short video of the redeem confirmation and your missing item list. Then contact platform support with the confirmation time and your platform ID so they can investigate quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.